Hey!
Hey, just in time.
I hope this doesn't offend you, but I'm really not a dog person.
No, I'm not offended. Everyone has a preference.
Okay, cool. I got shotgun.
Here,
What's this for?
a tissue. You said you don't like dogs, so you must be allergic.
I'm not allergic. I just don't like them.
So, like, what is it that you just don't like about dogs?
I feel like you'll just get offended.
No, this is a safe space.
I mean, honestly, dogs are just disgusting, and they get treated like children when in reality they're just useless mutts.
Thank you for sharing.
What? I thought you said this was a safe space.
This is a safe space for Oliver.
What? But I like dogs. Stupid dog.
What'd you say?
What?
Oliver, get him!